What part of me do you want to eat? What on me looks good?
I know. What on me looks good?
Oh, no.
Daddy! Daddy, we're home from the grocery store.
Hey, did you feed Sparky yet?
Not yet.
Oh, 'cause I, saw him walking around earlier and he seemed pretty hungry. Hungry and depressed. So, I don't know, maybe you might want to go up to your room and find him.
After this game.
I don't know. He was looking pretty down. Had sort of a crazy look in his eye. You might want to go check on him.
Fine.
Oh, he went and did it. That is a shame. He had so much left to offer the world. Well, that's why you gotta feed your dog. Now, whose dick do I gotta suck to get some dinner around here?